How's it going, guys? Dana here with North Central Coins. Some of my fellow members of the Canadian coin community here on YouTube, as well as myself, have decided to participate in a Secret Santa for the holidays. I would like to wish everyone a happy holidays. I hope everyone has a great Christmas, a happy Kwanzaa, and a solemn Ramadan. We have quite the lineup of Canadian coin YouTubers, so let me give them all a quick shout out. Numa's Canada with Bruce, Niagara Coin Hunter, Cadroll Hunter, Great White Northerner, Mario Brothers NL Coins, Leroy de Numizastique, Emmanuel's Workbench, and myself, North Central Coins. I would love to give a huge shout out to Emmanuel's Workbench and Cadroll Hunter for putting the Secret Santa together and providing the intro. I'm really excited for this. I'll be leaving the links for all of their channels down in the description, so go give them a little look-see and you can see their entries in this year's Secret Santa. So here we have it, the box. Now, I know who this was actually shipped from. It's supposed to be a Secret Santa, but I looked at the mailing address from where it came from, and I have a pretty good hankering who sent this to me. I'll give it away at the end of the video, but this is a pretty hefty box we got right here. It might have taken a bit of a beating in transit. It has a little bit of tearing and ripping going on in the top right corner, but I'm definitely excited to tear this bad boy open and see what kind of treasures lie within. They did set some guidelines within the Secret Santa. We were supposed to make it about a $50 budget. I'm sure a couple of us might have went a little ham and a little overboard on this one. I know I was a little bit generous to the person that received my Secret Santa, so I'm really excited to tear this open, especially because I have a pretty good idea who it came from. So before I do start tearing this big old mystery box of fun open, I would really appreciate if you guys would hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you would like to see more Canadian coin collecting videos just like this. Alright, what do you guys say we get this unboxing underway? He went with a flat rate box, probably because this thing is super heavy. Feels like there's a ton of bricks in here. Just joking. I think I might know what that is that's taking up all the weight. But we have our handy dandy letter opener here with us. Hopefully this thing will get the box open. Let's see what we can do here. See if we can break the seal. Gotta find a good entry point with these boxes. I definitely do not want to damage the contents, whatever they may be. So, just trying to find a good place to open her up. Okay, we have broken the seal. I've made some progress. Looks like we have some flyers stuffed in there, some filler. That is good. You do not want the contents rattling around in there, getting all loose. Get rid of those right there. Get rid of that. Gee, it's really stuffed in there. Alright, up. We got more. Let's see if there's going to be any coins in here, if it's all just flyers for food basics. Oh, we got something. What is this right here? Oh, and look at that. There's the big old mother load package right there. That's what we want. Looks like he wrapped that separate just to keep it extra secure, which is definitely good. So this is a pretty nifty little blue jar here. I know that it said to include something that is not coins, something that is, I don't know if it's personal or something local to the area. It looks like he might have found this metal detecting maybe, or bottle digging, maybe relic hunting. Cool little blue bottle right there. They'll all find something neat to put in there, that's for sure. But we got this big old yellow package to tear into. This feels hefty in here. It is stuffed. It looks like whoever this was extra generous to us this year. Alright, let's open this bad boy open. Got the letter opener here. Cracker open. Maybe I can just rip it actually. Seems to be a little bit easier. Give her a good rip. Just out for a rip, are you, bud? Alright. Let's start this off and see what kind of coin goodies we have this time. Ooh, an uncirculated penny roll. from the year 1999. Now the enders on there look a little rough, but that is to be expected when you are dealing with these clear rolls. But I'm sure there's some very nice uncirculated 1999 pennies in the middle there. Looks like we got a few penny rolls here. This may be an original roll as well. Looks to be a Brinks roll. Pretty vintage. St. John's. Try and get a look at the date on there. I think it's 1974. Nice. May eventually crack these open in a later video or something. Take a little look at them, but let's see what else we got in here. Another penny roll. These all look like some pretty old vintage rolls here. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Old Tiara obverse right there. Looking pretty nice. Can't see a date on the end for that one, so gonna guess it's 70s or 80s, probably 70s. This one looks pretty old as well. Coppers, made in Canada. You don't see rolls like these too often. Looks like another old uncirculated roll. Got the Tiara obverse there. Very interesting. I'm not sure if these are uncirculated or maybe they're meant for me to hunt. Interesting, he gave these in little coin envelopes. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at that, a nice 1968 nickel half dollar. This one's looking pretty much uncirculated. Definitely has a nice cameo on it as well, at least a cameo designation. Beautiful. You don't see them in this good shape too often. A lot of the time they'll be looking pretty wishy-washy, but I'll just throw all these back into the envelopes, catalog them into my collection at a later date. Keep digging in here. Ooh, what's this? A 1942 Mercury dime. Awesome, a little bit of silver, and it's in pretty good shape too. Looks almost uncirculated or possibly clean, but very nice. This may actually be the first Mercury dime in my collection. I mostly have like silver Canadian dimes. I have an old Barber silver dime, but no Mercs yet. Awesome. I think that's a D mint mark on there. Let's keep digging into this goodie bag of fun here. Oh, what is this? An old $5 bill. I believe this was one of the requirements for the list as well. You had to include a piece of paper money. I do not have any of these. I think they call them Lawson Bory bills or something. I'm not sure, but wow, that is awesome. I will definitely put this into my bill book, and it will fill in a nice hole in there with some of the other older 70s bills that I have. Man, it's awesome the amount of detail and design they put into them back in the day. Now they're all made out of plastic. I think this popped out as well. I was pulling that bill out. What's this? What do we got here? Oh, we got an empty. Uh-oh. Hopefully, whatever that was just fell out in that bag there. Hopefully I'll find that a little bit later on. Let's keep going though and see what else we got here. What's in this one? This is a W quarter. Oh, awesome. Man. It is a American Memorial Park 2019 W quarter. These things are super rare. I think they're minted around 2 million, and they are super hard to find here in Canada. So I think this is the third W quarter that I actually have now. Awesome. Will fill a good hole in my collection. That is for show. Throw it back in there. It's in pretty good shape too. Probably not quite MS, but not too bad. Let's open this one up. This one looks thicker. What's this? What is this? Ooh, it's 2 for 1. Looks like some Newfoundland stuff. What's this? An old Newfoundland 1 cent. What is the date on there? 1854, I think that is. Kind of hard to see the date. That is an oldie right there. I don't know if this was found metal detecting or it's just been through the meat grinder, but an old Victorian Newfoundland cent. That is awesome. I think that's the first or maybe second Newfoundland large cent that I actually have. And a nice 1941 Newfoundland small copper cent. Very cool. You don't see those too often here in Ontario, and usually if you do, you're going to pay a pretty crazy premium for them. I still have yet to find one of those coin roll hunting. That's a nice bucket lister. I would love to scratch off one day as a nice old Newfoundland scent. But let's keep this treasure trove of finds coming along here. What's this right here? Oh my word, guys. This is the Holy Grail of Canadian quarters, a 1991. This is minted, I think, around 450,000, and these things are as rare as hen's teeth. I still have not found one coin roll hunting, and I have hunted probably hundreds of thousands of dollars in quarters. So, very nice. It's in pretty good shape too, honestly. I have one other one that's not nearly as nice as that. Let's see. What do we got in here? Behind door number 7 or 8 or whatever this is. Ooh, what is this? It's like a nice old silver foreign coin. I think that is 1932. I think it's 1932 or 1832. But it looks like 5 centavos Philippines. 1932. So I believe that is silver, but regardless, it's got a thick rim on it. That is a thick rimmed coin right there. And what is this? 5 centavos, another 5 centavos. This one looks a little bit older though. It has a laurel wreath design on the reverse there. 1918. I'm gonna have to look up and see the compositions of these, but this one definitely looks silver right here. Republic of Colombia. Some old South American silver. Very cool. Do we have anything else in this bag in here? I think there might be a little bit more. Let's see. Oh, there's quite a bit more we got in there. Oh lordy. Yeah, we got a bit to go here. We got a few more things to pull out. Oh lordy. All right, let's see what else we got in here. What a Christmas. What a Christmas magical coin miracle this is. All right, we got some more of these little envelopes to open up. These things are fun. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this process. That's for sure. Ooh, a nice uncirculated silver 1968. This is definitely in the low MS range, probably MS60, MS61. A little bit of tarnishing on it, but definitely a nice one. Lots of luster on it. Very, very nice. Another little piece of silver to add to the pile. What else we got in here? Come on, give us some more good stuff. This has already been amazing. All the stuff we've already gotten, my lord. Wildly exceeded my expectations. Another uncirculated penny roll, 1973. Interesting the way these are crimped at the end, but I'm guessing they must be uncirculated from the look of them. Whew, that's a beaut right there on the end of that one. 73 on that end too. The ones in the middle, I'm sure, are even nicer. Ooh, what is this? Color quarters. Looks like pretty much a full roll of whatever it is. Oh lordy, guys. This is a holy grail treasure trove of the rarest Canadian colored quarters that you can find. Oh my god. A full roll, $10 face pretty much, of all of these. Some of these are so hard to find. I'm guessing there's no men's race 2s in there, but oh, that's amazing. That is a hoard right there, a hoard of colored quarters. Got some more coppers here. That is an interesting roll. 1974 is the date on that one. What can I see on this side? Can't really see anything. But that is an old, interesting roll. Canadian Bank of Commerce, I think that said. Got a few more little goodies in here. A few more rolls of pennies here, it looks like. Provincial. What is that? Amusement Limited. St. John's and Grand Falls, Newfoundland. There might be some spoilers here as I'm opening these rolls about where they're coming from. But that is an oldie right there. 1980. Some of these might be good to check for errors too. You know, you might be able to find a clip planchette in one of those uncirculated rolls. You never know if you find an error coin in one of those. What's this? This is 5 cents. These are nickels. But what kind of nickels? What kind of nickels could they be? Oh my, rabbit nickels. Or bunny nickels. So a whole roll of 1967s. I don't know if this roll is uncirculated or it could just be mixed circulated, but oh my lordy. I love these bunny nickels. They're some of my favorites and they're getting super hard to find coin roll hunting. So, looks like another old vintage roll. Alright, I think we got a few more little things in here. What's this? A 1968 Kennedy half dollar. So this is 50% silver. Got it in a nice little slab as well. Pretty darn cool. Alright, I think we got... This is the loose coin that fell out. That was in the bottom of the bag right there. A 1943 Walking Liberty half dollar. Look at that too. May have been cleaned at some point. Hard to tell. Got a little bit of tarnishing on the edges there, but it looks a little wishy-washy. Might actually have to hit this eventually with the silver test, but very awesome. A Walking Liberty half dollar. That's quite the little pile of silver that we managed to accumulate in that. Well, this has been an absolutely awesome unwrapping. We got all sorts of amazing stuff here. We got uncirculated pennies. We got a $5 bill. We got silver. We got this cool little blue jar here. I love the way that it was all wrapped up in these envelopes. It made it very suspenseful the way I was opening it all up, one coin at a time. I love this $5 bill. I really want to give a huge... This package all the way from Newfoundland. Thank you so much, man. The colored quarters, this is all awesome. What an amazing lot. I'd like to thank everyone else so much for participating in this Secret Santa. It was a lot of fun. I really hope whoever opens my package enjoys it. I made it extremely epic for them. Please make sure to go check out the other channels that'll be participating in this down in the description. Make sure to give them a subscribe, check out some of their other videos, show some support to the Canadian coin community. I'd like to wish you guys all a happy holidays. I'm going to be releasing a few more videos over the next couple days, and then over Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, I'm probably going to be taking a bit of a break. I hope you all eat lots of food. I hope you all hunt lots of coins and have lots of great finds over the holidays. We will be returning in about a week with a stream on Saturday night, so I look forward to seeing you all then. But other than that, guys, a huge shout out once again to Emmanuel's Workshop, CAD Roll Hunter. Until the next one, everybody, peace out and have a good one, y'all.